Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup 1099 cent in Bill.com for compliance step by step clearly. Log into your Bill.com account using your credentials. Navigate to the Documents section from the main dashboard. Select Tax Forms from the drop-down menu. Locate the 1099 forms you wish to backup. Click on the specific 1099 form to open its details. Review the information to ensure it's the correct form. Look for the Download button, typically located at the top right corner. Click on Download to save the file to your device. Choose a secure location on your computer to store the downloaded 1099. Create a dedicated folder for tax documents if you haven't already. Label the folder clearly to identify it easily in the future. If you need to back up multiple forms, repeat the process for each 1099. Once all forms are downloaded, consider creating a backup on an external drive. Alternatively, upload the files to a secure cloud storage service for added safety. Ensure that all backups are easily accessible in case of an audit. Verify that the downloaded files are complete and properly formatted. Periodically check your backups to maintain compliance and data integrity. Follow these steps annually to keep your 1099s organized and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.